Hi there guys, welcome to this new video of our email autoresponder series. Okay, so in this video I'm going to talk about how exactly to send an email broadcast. Now email broadcast is different from email automation in the sense that automation is whereby you set up all the different time lags before the system, or rather in this case Aweber, will automatically send out your emails for you. But in email broadcast, you actually have to decide which is the particular list that you wish to send to, and you can also schedule your broadcast in advance. Okay, now so going into your Aweber account, very simple, just go under messages and under broadcast, and from here you will see this tab on the top right called create a message. So click on it and choose drag and drop email builder. Okay, over here this is where you insert the subject line. Alright, so same thing, I'll just put it as this is a demo. Okay, I'll highlight this entire thing because I don't need this. I'll just put it as good day. Then you can go under personalize, subscribers info, type in full name. So automatically Aweber will populate for you based on this particular email. If you have collected the name of the subscriber at your squeeze page, it will auto populate the name for you. Okay, so let's say a subscriber is called Peter, then it will show it as good day Peter. Alright, then over here, this is a demo text. Okay, just sign off with your name. Now, you can actually highlight this entire portion. Go over here, hyperlink it, and from here, I'm just going to copy one of my pretty links. Grab this, go back here, and I will Control V. Okay, now wait until the green checkbox is out, then you click OK. So now this link is actually being directed to another page. So to make it more stand out, like what I mentioned in the last video, I'm just going to bold it. Alright, so once it's done, after you have drafted out the entire email, you can actually go under save and exit. Okay, now after you save and exit, it's still not over yet, yeah? You have to go under schedule. Then it will ask you, do you want to send a message now, or when do you want to send this message? If you click on the edit button of when to send this message, it will show you all the different timing that you should send. Okay, like for example, this is my timing GMT +8 in Singapore. It's also Australian Western time. You can actually change it to something like, for example, I want to send this message tomorrow, but I want to send it at, let's say, 7 a.m. in the morning. Okay, it's up to you on how you want to change it. So this is under scheduling. You can also choose who to receive this message if you edit this button. You can also include all the lists that you have. Okay, so you don't have to type one by one. You can also exclude certain subscribers on this list. Or you can also choose, like for example, people who have been added today, yesterday, the openers, the clickers, so on and so forth. Okay, this is how you actually do email broadcast. Very simple. Now, I'm just going to go back here. Okay, so guys, if you're really interested to learn more about email marketing, you can actually go below my video. You will see that I have a 5 days free email marketing crash course for you. Okay, it is absolutely free, and a lot of my subscribers who actually opted in for this 5 days email marketing crash course have given very positive feedback. Okay, so without further ado, I'll see you in the next video, and take care.